This is Artems.ai. What matters in tech and beyond. The gap between human intent and machine execution is closing. From frictionless cloud deployments to the high stakes of geopolitical maneuvering, we are witnessing a fundamental rewrite of how systems operate. For a long time, AI agents have hit a wall. They can write code, but they cannot navigate a browser to sign up for a service or solve a multi-factor authentication prompt. Cloudflare is changing this by introducing a worker instantly without a human in the loop. It is a 60-minute window to prove a concept before the account expires. This drive for frictionless autonomy is not just happening in the cloud. In New York, a company called Micro AGI is sending human cleaners into apartments for free. The catch is that these cleaners wear cameras to gather tons of dexterity data. They are essentially acting as biological placeholders to train the next generation of autonomous cleaning robots. But when we hand the keys to automated systems, the risk scale just as quickly. Take the case of Jared from Subway.eth. This sandwich bot was infamous for skimming millions from Ethereum traders. In a twist of irony, an attacker turned the bot's own logic against it. By deploying fake tokens, the attacker tricked the bot into approving malicious contracts and drained $7.5 million. This is the danger of machine speed pattern recognition. It is a similar lack of understanding that led to a major vulnerability in Zoom. Developers bypassed cross-origin resource sharing policies by using an image hack on Localhost. As they thought, they opened the door for any website on the internet to trigger operations. While tech systems struggle with boundaries, the political world is seeing its own set of strategic pivots. In Canada, Mark Carney has pulled off a stunning ascent to Prime Minister. He played the role, he operated as a ruthless tactician. He managed to secure a majority government not through a general election, but by persuading members of other parties to cross the floor. This ability to shift personas is critical when dealing with a volatile neighbor. Across the border, the United States is attempting a similar high-stakes pivot. Vice President J.D. Vance recently landed in Switzerland for peace talks with Iran abandons its nuclear ambitions. These geopolitical tensions often mirror the domestic struggle to regulate the digital frontier. The United Kingdom is now pushing a ban on social media for those under 16. The government argues it is for the protection of children, but critics point out that for many YouTube is the 2026 version of television and a primary tool for education. To enforce this, millions of citizens may have to share official ID for internet access. This creates a massive privacy risk. Elon Musk has already warned that the real goal is to enable the government to track everyone. Today we have seen a consistent thread of friction, whether it is an AI agent fighting an all-AUTH flow or a nation fighting for its digital sovereignty. The struggle is the same. We are trying to fit the fluid nature of modern technology into the rigid boxes of legacy regulation. The result is a volatile transition period where the only constant is the acceleration of the shift. This was the Artems.ai. Agent tune in tomorrow.